Hi, my name is Storm DJ and I'm a proud member of SE Sports. At the very first place, you know what? Let me just share to you my journey here in SE Sports. Very first place, I've seen this SE Sports in YouTube, and from that YouTube alone, I didn't even expect that YouTube video can give me this kind of opportunity. I've seen it, I signed up to it. However, I always do my due diligence before I invest to something. I'm not actually afraid to lose money. If you are afraid to lose money, you know what? You will never know it. If this opportunity is actually for you, if this opportunity can give you a lot of money, can give you a lot of returns. I'm a business person and I know how to take risks, and I know the higher the risk that you can take, the higher the returns that you can have. Let me just give to you my journey here in SE Sports. First, I started investing 200 pesos. From that 200 pesos, I level up to 500 pesos. And I told myself, oh, I'm actually gaining money. This is the good part. Because I can communicate to the manager 24/7. And almost 24/7, we're chatting. We're chatting. And again, you do your own due diligence. Because for me, I did that. And I've proven it. SSS do have a proven system. They have a proven method. And they are actually giving us Filipino a very good opportunity, not only to invest our money, but also to grow our money and let our money work for us. SE Sports doesn't only give us the money, the returns that we have, giving us, me and my whole family, gave us a very good lifestyle. The lifestyle that we don't need to think where the money will be coming from, because it's not anymore problem for us, because we know that our money is also working hard, just like what we do. Because while we are grinding, our money that invested in SE Sports is also grinding for us. So we do have another source of income. Wherein we can have another cash flow positive. And you know what? Here's the thing, guys. Let me just share to you this. If cash is king, cash flow is queen. And if you have a lot of cash flow coming in, and let me tell you, this risk that I took from SE Sports gave me a very good cash flow. Right now, we're here in Okada, and I'm very thankful and grateful because the earnings that we got from SE Sports is also the thing that we are actually spending here. And in Tagalog, napakasarap gumastos kung yung ginagastos mo, yung perang pinaghirapan ng pera mo. Uulitin ko, napakasarap gastosin ng perang pinaghirapan ng pera mo. Kasi kumita na yung pera na ipinuhunan mo sa pera mo. And you know what? This is the thing, guys. Hindi lang kami binigyan ng SE Sports. SE Sports doesn't only give us a lifestyle, gave us money, gave us the returns that we have, but they also gave us a lot. The first thing that I got from SE Sports is a tumbler. This tumbler. Second thing that SE Sports gave us is a multifunction electric cooker. Third, I got a delivery for a backpack bag. And then the fourth, it's actually a bonus from a VIP one, and that would be the electric fan that time. Electric fan. And then the next is the bike. And on top of it, guys, you can earn a lot because how much is it? 500 pesos? You can also invite your friends. And they can also earn. This is the best part. Because this investment that I had from SE Sports gave me from 200 pesos, gave me right now an extra almost 30,000 pesos monthly. And the best part is I can share this profit to some of my friends. And right now I do have already 52 people who've signed up to my link as of this moment. And today is November 1, 2024. And this is the best part because I'm actually sharing this not only just for me to earn money, but also for me to help them so that they know how to invest their money to a legit platform wherein they can gain short term to medium term. I don't need to be very choosy to the people whom I can invite, but because it's actually for everyone. SES made this platform for them to give us a very good income stream. You know what? At the end of the day, you will never know unless you try. If you don't try it, you will never find out. Again, my name is Tor and I'm a proud investor here in SC Sports.